Hello everyone, my name is Luis Carrillo. I'm the lead QA for Summer 2019 Team EFWE for the project where product owner is Dr. Masusa Jai. My task was to create a StartTerminal function. This function will start a new terminal when it's called. And let me show you now the function. Okay, so this is our function. This is a StartTerminal function. It's an HTTP post. And here we have some of the parameters that will be passed inside the function. We have a data folder path and a terminal instance. This information is going to be used. This is the complete data folder path for a specific terminal. Then we're going to have a server name for its ID and password. Now we're still missing here two more parameters. We're missing the FTP settings, and we're still missing the expertvisor that will start with this terminal. I was still waiting on this information, how it's going to be passed from the EFW18. Now, we're gonna find our star ini and common ini files. They're gonna be in the specified data folder that is going to be passed inside the star terminal on the specified terminal instance inside the config folder. Now, here is where we're going to store our start ini or common ini file, depending either on if we have an FTP, we have FTP settings, or we don't have FTP settings. Now, this is our path, our executable path. So in order to get the executable path inside this data folder with the specified instance, it's going to be an origin.txt file. We're going to be reading the origin.txt file. Inside the origin.txt file is going to be the path where we're going to find the executable for our function. Now, once this server name, forex ID, and password are passed, we're going to be storing them inside login ID, password, and server. This is going to be passed to the create ini file, and they're going to be set as the login, password, and server for the ini file for our terminal. Like I said, we're still missing the FTP settings and the expertvisor. Now, with the information provided, we're going to call the function create ini. We're going to give it all the specified parameters, all the parameters that are needed. And we're going to check if we have FTP settings or not. If we do not have any FTP settings set, the FTP path is null. We're going to create a start ini file with all the information that we have. And if we have an FTP path, we're going to create a common.ini file. And then we're simply going to create this, which we'll call the terminal from command line, and we'll start our function. So let's test it. Okay. Okay. Oh, one more thing. As you can see here in the password, we're going to be decrypting the password. Since the password is going to come encrypted, we're going to have to decrypt it. Here we'll show you how we're going to do that. As you can see, this is a data folder path, the specified terminal. We don't have a start ini file here yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to be passing the data folder path for testing using Postman. We're going to be passing the data folder path, the specified terminal instance, then server name, forex ID, and this right here is the encrypted password. So before doing the video, I passed the password that we're going to be used, and I used the encrypt function that was used for the previous semester, and I encrypted the password. So this is the encrypted password that we're gonna pass inside the start terminal. So the start terminal is going to decrypt this password and put the password inside the start.ini file. Okay, so let's test it. We're sending this. We're getting it to 100, okay. And the terminal should start. Here we have the terminal. Now, let's go back to our folder, and here we have the star in, and as you can see, the password has been decrypted, and this is the decrypted password. So we're still missing for this function. I'm still waiting on the EFW18, which is going to provide me with the information for the extravisor and the FTP settings. We're still missing on that information. As soon as we get that, we should be ready to go. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Luis Carrillo, and this is my email, car102@fiu.edu. Thank you.